So online programs for teacher training as we move along, online training for teachers. So obviously we want to expand teachers' skill sets. We can't bring all the teachers together in a class for an hour a day of training in a computer room. So we need to use online tools for this. And so we want to expand their skills. We need to do this constantly, absolutely constantly. It boosts their productivity and performance. The more they know, the more adept they are, the more this gets wired into their thinking, and the more it gets wired into their hands, so that they do this all automatically without thinking about it. And these online programs can be done anywhere, right? They can be, done while you're riding the bus. So here are a few of them. Coursera, which I mentioned before, has a bunch of them. Otis for Educators, Simple K-12. There's a bunch of these. You as a leader need to have an opinion about which one you think is best for your teachers in the system that you're using.